Good day, welcome to the channel. Just having a drive around Ottawa, and this fool decides to sit in the middle of the road. Didn't anticipate his exit being blocked, and then somehow it becomes my fault. Then we got this guy in a Mercedes squeezes by traffic to make a right turn on red, where it clearly states no right turn on red. Then you'll see to our right hand side, school of motoring vehicle, driving instructor driving, no pupil in the car, pulls up alongside onto the pedestrian crosswalk and decides to turn right on red, again where it's clearly marked no turn on red. Driving down the highway 401 in Ontario, and you've got to have your kids strapped in the seat, all the specifications and the law surrounding car seats. Unless you put 40 or 50 of them onto one vehicle, call it a school bus, and then they can just drive down the centre lane with no consideration of other traffic around, and road's completely empty, and yet there he is in the middle lane. One off the 417 in Ottawa down to the 416. Tesla not quite paying attention, but was paying attention in the end. One of our favourite, we're coming onto an on-ramp. Professional driver in front takes to the on-ramp, clearly marked. The on-ramp ends in 100 metres, but he's going to make it past two vehicles. Good chap, well done. Takes it completely onto the shoulder to get past just the one truck, and then not 500 metres up the road, he's pulled into the truck inspection station. The off ramp, as we go round the right hand corner, he actually crosses the shoulder line, so he's well over to the right. We've got options of two lanes going left, one lane going right. He wants all
Fuck
three.
You.
And then somehow he wants to stop there and wave his hands and swear through the window and flip me off. Nice drive, buddy, nice drive. Highway 401 round Kingston, very distinctive little pickup truck in front, old one. He decides the left lane's his, really not in much of a hurry, pull back to the right as you should do. right lane is the right lane to drive in. But no, he stays in that left-hand side, all the way up, right up to the truck ahead of us. Giving him plenty of space to move if he wants, but he doesn't want to. We catch up with the vehicles in front, and we move left to pass. You'll clearly see as he passes the truck and gets in front, he does start to move to the right. No signal, but he moves to the right, but then completely changes his mind, decides a brake check is more in order. Brick. So he's clearly passed the truck, and then because we go to the right hand lane to undertake, he decides he wants that lane as well. It just blows my mind, these people that drive in that fashion. Pass somebody, move back to the right, just get out of the way. Anyhow, like and subscribe to the channel, lots more content coming. Take care, good day.